Hey everyone, I'm Josh Jennings with Livingston Haven. We're proud to be a longtime partner of Perma USA. What makes this partnership truly unique is that Perma USA headquarters is located just minutes down the road from headquarters here in Charlotte, North Carolina. That close proximity allows us to work side by side with their engineering, sales, marketing, and production teams. When a customer comes to us with an application challenge, both L&H and Perma stay involved from the very first conversation through the installation, service, and ongoing support. Together, we provide complete lubrication solutions, from product selection and technical guidance to customer mounting options, installation assistance, training, and long-term maintenance planning. Perma offers one of the most comprehensive lubrication portfolios in the industry, including single-point and multi-point automatic lubricators, a wide range of lubricants, and all the accessories needed to build a reliable, effective system. These solutions are used across a wide range of industries, from mining, aggregates, heavy manufacturing, and food processing to pulp and paper, steel, and more. With Perma Connect, customers gain access to smart digital tools that make lubrication management easier than ever. You can monitor status, plan service intervals, and manage your entire lubrication program from a single dashboard from anywhere around the world. At Livingston Haven, we're proud to partner with Perma to deliver reliable lubrication solutions backed by local support and real-world expertise. To learn more, reach out to us at Livingston Haven or visit permausa.com.